You ready to count? Guess what we're gonna count with? Ponies! Lily, how many ponies are there? You got this. How many? Lily, how many ponies are there? Lil, how many? I know, it's still early. How many? Let's try that again, okay? How many ponies are there? Yes! Good job! Alright, we're going up a level. How many ponies are there? Firefly does not want to stand today. Okay, how many ponies are there? You got a little more to go. Okay, one more. Okay, let's try it again. Well, how many ponies? Yes! Okay, how many ponies are there? Okay, this is a higher number. So, how many? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ponies are there right now? Okay, how many? Yes! All right. This is as high as we've ever counted, okay? How many? How many ponies? Wait, just wait. How many? Okay, let's try again though. How many ponies are there? Yes! Nice job! Lily! Hi, baby. You did really good today. You did, I'm serious. You're a good counter. This was a good practice.